LG fridge, FF error, freezer fan not working. Model and serial number. Next, remove the top and bottom drawers from freezer. Remove the side screws and lift the door up securely. Removing back panel. Use flat bar and unscrew the center screw. Testing the fan by bypassing the magnet reed switch. The fan not running? Unplug the 2 wires, plug carefully. Remove the panel. The fan blade is stiff, not rotating normally. Comparing good and bad fan, how they rotate. Put X on bad fan. Remove 2 screws and replace it. Reconnect 2 plugs. Bypass and door switch by magnet. To testing the fan. It is running. Put the panel back. And this repair is done. Found it helpful? Like, subscribe, and save for later.